But there's a reason why people say respect the tap, right? Because what we're basically trying to do is I'm trying to choke you unconscious, or I'm trying to break your arm, but let go a split second before it breaks or before you go unconscious, right?
Your partner should be tapping.
Yeah.
You shouldn't have to let go. Hopefully they'll tap in time, but there are times where you hold it before you finish because they don't want to tap. So you'll hold it knowing you already have it, and then you'll put a little more into it, then they'll tap. But just, you can go 100% with jiu-jitsu, but when it comes to submitting the person, that's where you have to slow it down and bring the percentage down to be controlled, because you don't want to hurt your partner on accident. And it happens, but if you ever hurt your partner, you'll learn hopefully from that time moving forward that, okay, I need to be more careful in how I finish these submissions, because if you have an arm bar, you could easily break someone's arm, so you do have to.
And I would say this as a caveat too, is like once you've been doing jiu-jitsu, the more that you do it, the more awareness that you'll have, and you'll know when you have a rear naked in, you'll know when you have a good arm bar in.
Yeah.
So for me, because I know people are stubborn, like if I know I have an arm bar like locked,
right,
I'll let go even if they don't tap, and then we'll just roll into the next position.
Yeah.
I do that a lot just because for me, I'd rather be safe, and if someone's being a little bit stubborn, I don't want to do that.
But at the same time, sometimes just finish it, because that person needs to learn how to tap.
Yeah.
So if they get hurt because they didn't tap in time, they need to remember, I can't do that anymore. Like, I can't be getting hurt every time. For example, like similar to that, I had someone in a rear naked choke before, or a couple times actually, and one of the defenses is to kind of tuck your chin, right? Because then you block the hand and the arm from being choked at your neck. So a lot of times our arm will go over their face and it will hit their teeth. And so I could feel that this person tucked their chin, and I'm not gonna let go of the choke because I still have it. And I was still finishing it, but they didn't want to tap. And so afterwards, we were done rolling, the person's mouth was bleeding. And I'm like, well, why didn't you tap? Like, you didn't have to make your make your gums bleed into your teeth. And then after that, I think they learned. So.
And I think there's a balance, and you'll learn, right? Because for me, I will tap early if I know they have it really deep, because I don't want to risk anything. Like for me, I'm here for fun, I'm here for enjoyment.
Right. It's
not like that serious for me in terms of like I still want to be able to function outside of the gym.
Totally.
So like tap early, right? But these are things that you'll definitely learn the more that you go to the gym.
The more you roll, I'd say. It's, yes, you drill it, but when you roll, there's adrenaline pumping. And so one, as a person like attacking, you'll learn control. And the person who has to defend, you learn how to tap before you get hurt. Because a lot of times when you feel that it hurts, you've already caused a little bit of damage. There could be a little tear in your knee or whatever it is. And everybody learns, and to hopefully prevent injuries, but they still happen. But yeah, you can definitely tap early if you feel like they got you and they're just gonna crank it. So yeah, why wait for it to hurt? But
right, exactly.
Sometimes we do though.
Totally. Well,
all right.
Thanks everyone for watching. Thanks for tuning in. See you all.
Thank you. See ya.